Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by locking essentials and taking the first actions now. Pick a clear niche and hawk and define 1 to 3 content pillars. This narrows your effort. Get minimal gear, phone, mic, and 1 to 2 lights, and install a free editor because speed beats perfection early. Once done, make a simple 1-week plan, 3 posts, 2 short clips, 1 longer piece. Start creating the first clip today. You learn faster by doing than by planning forever. Now you move into steady production and growth tactics. Batch produce 3 to 5 pieces in one session to reduce setup overhead and keep momentum. When editing, craft a 6 to 12 second hook, optimize titles, and use 1 to 2 focused hashtags so discovery improves. Once done, include a clear call to action to boost engagement. Make sure to reply to about 10 comments a day and follow 5 complimentary creators. Consistent interaction accelerates reach and teaches what resonates. Complete the cycle by launching and measuring deliberately. Publish during a peak time, then post 2 follow-ups and cross-share to one other platform to capture different audiences. Track 3 metrics: views, engagement percentage, and follower growth. Once weekly, iterate based on those numbers. If growth stalls, make sure to test a new hook, change posting time, or vary content length. Small experiments reveal big changes. Finally, document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.